What's going on, fat ticks? I know it's been a minute since we uploaded, but we're back. But today we're gonna be installing some springs in my son's 335i. So yeah, let's do this. What a freaking fathead! Freaking fat tick! Show yourself! Yeah. Here's my son's 335i. I think he got it like 2 months ago. How long ago?
Yeah, I think it was like 2 months ago.
Big. Yeah, so far he's only done painted, plastic dipped the wheels, and he got a muffler delete. So on the window tint. And that's about it.
And the tail lights.
But they're new?
No, they're tinted.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I was about to ask you. They're new? Look at this. Interesting. Very interesting. But yeah, we're about to put some springs on this bad girl. So, yeehaw! Yeehaw! Mr. Weak Sauce. Mr. Weak Sauce. Low life. Low life. Yeah. Alright, boys and girls, so here's the strut. There's the spring. We're gonna change the spring. So yeehaw. Keep in mind we're not professional, so keep that in mind. So yeah, this only has one screw to take the whole assembly out. So right here, see it? Only do one bolt and it should drop off the whole rotor and the whole brake assembly. So once we undo that, take this off, and then we'll probably have we gotta undo the top screws, and we'll be good. What?
Blurry.
Blurry? It's all good. Okay. Well, we got a situation right now. My man's is almost in the ditch. Low life. It's my son. Say what's up.
What's up, bro?
My nigga. But yeah, you haven't seen his Z. This is his Z, you know. My nigga out here. My nigga out here. She looking clean, but yeah, we'll see how we get her out, cause she won't even go up. Cause it's muddy. So yeehaw.
I did have a big old wheel gap. Look at this. Look at this. It'll be alright. I'm about to die today.
Nah, it won't. Spring fresh. Just pop it, pop a little bit.
As you can see, guys, I got here.
Yeehaw!
Imagine if you came on.
There you go.
How the fuck I got rocks in this?
I don't know. They're gonna be like, why did they have the strut in the freaking thing? Mind your business, fatheads.
Alright, we can. New springs.
Yippee-yappers.
Nope.
Okay.
First try, guys. We just took the old spring out. Just not putting the new spring in.
Yeehaw. Let's go.
Definitely ain't have no problem, so. Remember, guys, you can pull this part. Peace out.
A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more, boys. Alright, boys and girls, we put one in. Interesting.
Yo, what is this? Is that all the way down? Yeah.
Yeah, it's because of the break. Well, still, should still.
Damn, bro.
Just it's gotta, you know, you gotta let it. Interesting. Interesting.
Alright, I'm gonna have to return these. Alright, back it up.
Yeah, that's only one, so we still gotta do the other side. Keep y'all updated. Here you go, boys and girls. Oh, that was it?
Yeah.
Yeehaw! Yeah, we compressed the spring, so we're doing it safe, boys and girls. That's how you do it. Yeah, so now we're gonna put in the new spring in there and it should be good. Yes, sir. Yeehaw, yeehaw, yeehaw. Fat tick. Fat tick. That's 16, I think. 16.
So we start on the rear.
It's interesting.
You want to show them?
Yeah. Let's see. Let me turn the brightness on. That's the rear spring. So we're trying to see what we gotta get done, and so far we got that one out, and now we just gotta get the shock. That right there, and that's underneath. Here. That one right there. So I think that's the only two bolts that we gotta get out to get the spring out. So, yes sir. Let's get it.
Alright guys, so we got the spring out. A ver cómo está, güey. No, I think that goes on top.
Think so? Alright, boys and girls, we're back. And we got all 4 springs on. Kind of looks the same, but I mean they still gotta settle in, so we gotta wait on that. Yes sir, yes sir. Ah, there you go. See it now? Yeah. It's one bubble. Be alright.
You run the light.
Be alright.
Still hella dirty, boy.
Here it is. H&R Sports Springs for a 335. Yeehaw! Look at that. Yeah, it looks lower than it was before in stock. So it doesn't look that bad. Yeah, look at that. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, sir. This one looks lower. So, yeah, there it is.
Hey,
Yeah.
follow that Instagram.
Yeah, don't follow this Instagram. Just look at it and I don't know. Just tell him he has a fat hit.
For our 3 subscribers.
Yeah. Yeehaw. Well, I think we're gonna end the vlog here, boys and girls. So we are outie. All right, y'all. Peace. Y'all be safe out there.